I figured out why you're not growing on YouTube. I also figured out why your products and services are not selling. You want to talk about it? Let's break it down. And the problem is this is so simple that you have been overlooking this the entire time. So I'm going to break down everything for you. But first, who am I? My name is Richie Sky. I have been on YouTube since 2007. Okay. But I got serious about this in 2019 and I was able to grow that channel to 206,000 subscribers at present. Okay. So we're still growing. But here's what I've been able to do since then. I monetized my channel with just my iPhone. Yeah. I got up to about 100 and something thousand subscribers and my YouTube plaque with just my iPhone and a ring light that I got from Amazon for $20. I also wrote my first ebook. I wrote my first mystery series. I sell out group trips. And I also coach individuals who want to start and grow fast on YouTube. So let's take my client, Karen. She is a trichologist. She had a bunch of salons. She closed those down. She wanted to focus on her natural hair care products. We started her on YouTube and she was able to generate $7,000 with a single video that she recorded in 15 minutes in her bathroom with her iPhone. And now all she does is sell her products and services. And she teaches other people how to grow their natural hair. It's that simple. And I want you to understand that you don't have to start with the fancy equipment. You don't have to have all of the things. All you need is this one thing, and I'm going to tell you. You just need to focus. I know it's oversimplifying it. I know. But I want you to hear me, and I want you to hear me good when I say this. You're unfocused because you're afraid. And you're coming up with all of these excuses because deep down, you are afraid of being seen and you are afraid of people seeing you fail. But here's the thing. Scared money don't make money. That fear is holding you back from everything that you could be achieving. And I'm a testament to that. I see it every day. There's a reason why you watch your favorite creators on YouTube. It's because they have enough gumption and focus to continue each and every day, each and every week, every 2 to 3 days. They pick their cadence and they stick to it. That's why they're successful. That's it. They just kept showing up. So some of you may be in the process of trying to monetize your channel, but you're discouraged because you're not monetized yet. Let me give you a clue. You can monetize your YouTube channel without monetizing it. Do you have an affiliate link in the description of your video for a product that you did not invent or create? No. You're not advertising that Walmart painting behind you or that Walmart cabinet behind you and putting an affiliate link in your description, that thing that's sitting in the back of your video, every single video, you're not monetizing that? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm shook. What do you mean you don't have an affiliate link for that book you were telling everybody about? That book that you reviewed. What do you mean you don't have an affiliate link for that? What do you mean you don't have a product or a service like an ebook? What do you mean you haven't taken one of your videos, utilized the transcript, entered it into Claude, and then created an ebook that you can sell because you utilized your video in multiple ways? What do you mean? What do you mean you're not utilizing your video in multiple ways? What do you mean you didn't take some of your best performing videos, even if they got only 100 views, and take those transcripts and convert it into an actual book that you put on Amazon? What do you mean you're not doing that? My God. What do you mean you're talking about travel and you don't have an affiliate link for a travel brand, or you're not part of a travel membership that pays you every single day? What do you mean? What do you mean you're not traveling the world for free and getting $1,000 per referral because you haven't started working with travel companies? What do you mean? What do you mean you're not doing these things? I don't get it. So imagine if you were doing all of those things, if you had a solid plan of action and the focus that it took to push through, even when it looked like it wasn't working, imagine what could happen. Imagine that. Or imagine if I had given up my first week on YouTube because my first 2 or 3 videos didn't go viral. Imagine if Karen had never done that video in her bathroom with her old iPhone. Can you imagine where some of your favorite content creators would be if they never started, or if they never had the focus to figure it out and to stay the course? What would you be doing right now if I wasn't sitting here giving you this advice? Let me tell you this, and I've said this before in a previous video. I saw this quote online. It said, "You're too broke not to be visible." I want you to ask yourself this and be very real. Are you really putting in the effort? Or are you busybodying yourself into excuse after excuse after excuse? Because you're really just totally afraid of what people will think and what they will say, and that you might fail. I mean, I wish I could tell you that failure wasn't a part of any process. But really, truly, honestly, the only time people fail is when they quit. I can't let you quit. No, not on my watch. If you are someone who has been looking for a way to figure it all out, but fast, without the overwhelm, if you're looking for someone to help guide you with a process that works, that will sit down with you and figure out a strategy that works for you, that makes sense for you and your business and your brand, I want you to click in the link in the description down below. Just click it. Just find out. Find out how we can help set up a strategy for you to start really maximizing your content, having some accountability, and dedicating some time and focus to making this your new reality. Your content should be paying you in multiple ways. And if you haven't figured out how by now, there's still time. But don't wait too long, because life is moving, and those who wait will most assuredly end up watching. I hope this video finds you well, and I hope this video helps you understand what you could be doing, where you could be going, and truly what opportunities lie on the other side of your fears.